Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for coming by. We're going to put this thing together. This is the oak base for the Misfit mining LED sign. I got my pieces all done on the CNC machine, as you saw in part 2. The bottom piece that fits, closes up the bottom. That sits like so. And then we've got the piece of acrylic. You remember I forgot to cut the notch. I had to do that by hand, but that's okay. And it fits over the corresponding holes. And that goes like so. So what we got to do is we're going to screw this thing together so I can get the edge sanded. Because I want it all to be even, put together. And then once that's done, I can get it stained, polished, and then we can get it put together with the LED lighting. Shouldn't be that bad to do pretty quickly. But what we have to do is, got a countersink. I use these number 4 1-inch screws. So that sits down in there, comes through. But I need that countersunk. And you know, I wasn't going to do it on the CNC machine. I could have, but I didn't, so all I got to do is run my countersink through. So let me get a chunk of wood here. I can use that to keep it off. I don't want to drill through underneath. Oh, look. How convenient. Okay, so all we got to do, I got this countersink. It's a number 6, I believe. I can't see the number. We're going to call it a number 6. So all we got to do, just going a little bit. Doesn't have to be much. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. Get them all. You notice I'm kind of working it on the edge because you kind of go out in open space. You might not get enough pressure on it. You want it to be, you don't want to crack anything. Done. That's going to be real nice. Now, let's get that out of the way. Get my brush here. We want to clear this sawdust out of the way. Want to make sure everything's nice and flat. Oh, we have a paper peel. Some of you like to see that, but you know, it wasn't intentional. So the stuff peels real nice, except probably when it hits the hole. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. And there we go. And there she is. Just how it needed to be. And then I'm going to put it on my drum sander. And it's just going to make it nice and straight. Let's see where that goes. Pop it right in. Very nice. Where is my piece that I carved? I'm not gonna pull the paper off just yet because I don't want it to mess it up, but I pull it off on the bottom down here. I wasn't happy when it carved that outer perimeter. Didn't make it a clean cut. So I just got a new bit so I can make sure that doesn't happen. I can sand it down, but I like when it gets done cleanly. And that's gonna go right down in. Oop. Aha, there is a little edge on that. So let's get the knife. So I'm not going to sand it, but I can draw. Oh, isn't that a great sound? I like that sound. So I'm not digging in with the knife, just kind of back scoring it to get that plastic burr off. Let's do it on that side. Kind of almost like fingernails on a chalkboard. Okay. Tell you one thing, it's a little muggy out here in my workshop. That, see, Misfit mining, but actually that's the face, so it's carved backwards. Look at. All right, so we're over here at my multi-tool ShopSmith, and I'm going to use the drum sander. Do a quick pan down. It's all set up. I'll explain in more detail what the tool does, the other things it does, I should say. But right now we're gonna sand this. We're gonna just run it on that drum sand and make that flat. Make it so it's nice and smooth. And probably what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my trim router and I'm gonna do a round over bit on that edge. And it'll soften it up, and I think it's gonna look nice. All right, so let's get doing it. All right, I think we're at that point of done. Turned out nice. I got a palm sander, I'll take care of that. Yeah, very nice. That's all she wrote. Alright, we're nearing completion. We're all attached. Nice finish. Switch. And what I'm doing is, so we got the adapter plug mounted. LEDs split up. The switch, I just put a butt connector in there. It's gonna splice that, and then I gotta tie that to that, and that to that, and then I'll just dot some hot glue on that. The moment we've been waiting for. And there she is, the Misfit Mining Edge Lit LED sign. Came out really nice. I wasn't happy about the edge when I carved it before. You know, it left some plastic. I had to work at it. There's a couple little marks on it. It's not perfect, but came out nice, and it gave you a chance to see how it works, and hopefully I can get some more signs made up, which is my plan. And I got some future custom signs coming up. I know Doge Lord requested a sign, so hopefully we can get that one up next, and a few surprises. I appreciate you coming and checking out the video, sticking out for all 3 parts. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate you coming by. Thanks.